Hi, I'm Max DiFelice from Waterdown Collision. Since 1974, we've been family owned and family operated. To earn trust, it's not like a light switch where you either have it or you don't. To earn trust, it's ingrained in lifelong service. I could never imagine how our business has grown. In the original days when my parents started, we were doing farm tractors, we were doing people's appliances just to fill our book of business. We needed to be innovative back then to find out what other services we could provide. Our business has grown exponentially in Waterdown, and we drive the collision world with innovative technology, but we are still back to our original roots of doing whatever our customer needs. I think that my biggest milestone and biggest reflection is nothing to do with business. It has to do with Waterdown families, kids, people. To me, that is my most memorable time spent in this community. Kids that I've coached for so many years continue to reach out to me as a mentor to ask me questions for their next steps in their journey and what I think. That to me is success. Business is delivering a product on what you promise. Success from a human standpoint, from a personal standpoint, is giving back to everybody around you.